Everybody, this is another Hot Wheels collector video, and today I've got another brand new Hot Wheels car to take a look at. Today, this one is not a new casting, it's just a new release of an existing casting, but it's a great one, very factory fresh look on this one, and I think it's the best release of this thing to come out so far from Hot Wheels. This is the Mercedes-Benz 500e in a metallic like gunmetal grey colour. Looks absolutely great. This thing is rolling on the chrome 5-spoke wheels. It does not have any side tamper work, but we do have the fuel filler cap in the metal casting. We've got the door handles here, and we've got a lovely wing mirror in the metal casting. Great to see. This thing's side windows are completely wound up. It does have black interior plastic, and as you can see, this thing is left-hand drive as well. Moving on to the front of this car then, as you can see, we've got loads of tamper work here. This does include the front headlights of this thing. We've also got headlight washers there as well, tampered in black. We've got the main front grille of this thing, as well as the Mercedes logo in black as well. And we've also got the front license plate of this car, which does not have any text on it, but has been tampered on here in white. You can also see there's plenty of vents, as well as what I believe to be the lower fog lights of this car in the metal casting. And you can also see this car's front chin / splitter in the metal casting as well. Very, very cool there indeed. Moving on to the next side of this thing then, it's the same as the previous, other than there is no fuel filler cap on this side. I'm not going to bore you with going over everything all over again. Of course, you can pause this video here and have a look for yourself. Onto the rear, you can see this thing does have very nicely modelled details here. We've got plenty of tamper work, we've got the rear lights, the Mercedes badge, the Hot Wheels logo in silver, and the 500e logo in silver as well. We've also got the kind of license plate portion of this car in the metal casting. We've got a dual exit exhaust being created by the black base plastic of this thing. And I believe we may also have a trunk release button there as well in the metal casting. Very, very cool to see. And finally, onto the top of this car then, we've got this kind of really small ducktail type spoiler in the metal casting. We've got no tamper work up top, not really any details in the metal casting. Moving forward to the front windshield, we do have windshield wipers, which is great to see. We've also got some windscreen washer fluid squirters there in the metal casting too. And we do have a bulge in the centre of the hood of this thing as well in the metal casting there. Very, very nice and very accurate to the real life thing. But yeah, that is really it for this car. It's absolutely great to see. Very, very factory fresh. I love the look of this thing, and overall I just had to pick it up when I saw it. But let me know what you guys think of this car in the comments section down below. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Is this your favourite release of this thing, or is it not? I really want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments, so please do leave me some comments. I will be reading and responding to all of them. But yeah, that is really it for this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And yeah, thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye everyone. Take care.